This will destroy your voice if you don't learn how to control it. Inside your larynx, above your vocal folds, is a structure called the false vocal folds. When you lift something heavy and make a sound, it will sound noisy and distorted. That's because the false vocal folds are disturbing the airflow. This can also happen while you're singing and can cause a lot of problems. I'll show you how you can control your false vocal folds and how to open them up to get a nice, healthy and clean sound. Let's start with the opposite first. Imagine you lift something heavy and make a sound. Do you hear all the noise in the sound? That's because your false vocal folds are constricting. Now let's sing the same note again, but this time we're gonna be really passive and speech-like. You might hear a little bit of noise in the sound if you do this one. This is your false vocal folds basically being passive and in a middle position. Now, let's open them up. You received some great news and you're really excited about it. Ah! Ah! If you do this correctly, your sound will be very clean. Okay, one more time together. Don't overdo the first one. Ah! Passive. Ah! Now opening up. Ah! Do you hear the difference? Do you feel it? Whenever there's unwanted noise in your sound or your voice gets stuck, activate your inner smile to open it up. Keeping this excited and open feeling in your voice is not that easy, but with practice, you'll get it. If you have any questions about this or other singing related topics, I'm happy to answer in the comments below. My name's Gideon Clark. Good luck with your singing.